So I just had a live video on Instagram, and the conversation was about taking photos, taking videos. And what I said there is something I need to say to all of you, and the whole industry needs to hear it because they just need to hear it. So mostly what happens is you spend endless amount of time drawing your stencils. So for example, I just spent about 1 hour or so to make a live video in which I made a stencil for my Saturday's client, which then means 1 hour of my life. 1 hour of my life is invested into that. Then let's say if I do about 2, 3, 4 hours, then altogether makes like 5, 6 hours of invested time into this client, or invested time into my career, into the photos, into videos, into marketing, because by doing this we want to get next clients as well. So it's something what we represent, what we can do, so we can advertise, so we can get more clients as we do. But the problem starts where you invest 6, 7 hours of tattooing, many hours of drawing stencils, then stencil to apply you maybe need like 1, 3 more times. So you have a issue. It comes to perfect end, and then you realize, oh, I need to take some photos now. So before I carry on, I'm Ziggy. If you've never been here before, I've been tattooing for like 13 years, and I have a studio in UK with like 5 team members. So I went from being a kid who wants to doing this full time, all day, every day. So to carry on the story, what happens is mostly people take photos and they pull out one of these. So imagine your whole career, your whole life, your whole marketing, your whole representation, your whole designs, whole stenciling, the whole that is in this little hole that the information goes in. Yeah, when you take a photo, the information goes in this little tiny hole, like nano. See how big that is? I'm pretty sure from there where you are, you can't see how big that is, but this is where your life is. So this hole here have sensors on the other side that collects data. It goes in like human eye, it goes in and collects data, and then either it's saved or it's not saved, one of those. But how good this is how good your life is. Because if you spend 6, 7 hours of tattooing, but then you spend no time taking photo with this little tiny thing, how many clients do you think you're gonna have? Not that many. Imagine if you make really clean lines and then you take photo with one of these. How do you think your line's gonna look like? Not that clean. Imagine if you make really smooth shading, really perfect, really neat, really like as immaculate as you can. It's not gonna look smooth. It's gonna look grainy. It's gonna look patchy. It's gonna look horrible. These phones have been stimulated, been built to kind of bring out the details, bring out stuff. So if there's a little skin imperfections, it's gonna make it really imperfection. If there is small details missing here and there, it's gonna really bring them out, which means it goes against your smooth shading. Any smallest bump on the skin is gonna bring out as bumps, as big deal. Exactly what you don't wanna. You want to showcase smooth is smooth, clean lines is clean lines, smooth shading is smooth shading. So what that means is it's the wrong job. Like this is the wrong tool for the wrong job. You can maybe take a photo for your dog, maybe for your spouse, if you don't want to get a good photo of her. You can like live a life, but not your whole career, your whole future. It can't be in this little tiny hole, like this little midget one. Your whole client future can't be based on this little hole. Like that's the only hole what separates you from what you just did to what your client's mom's gonna say, your client's brother's gonna say, your client's sister's gonna say, what your work colleague's gonna say, how you will see yourself when you posting. You're like, man, these photos are pretty wank, and you probably know that, you probably understand that when you take a photo it doesn't capture that. So what really you need is a bigger hole. As weird as it sounds, you need a bigger hole. You need to go from this hole to that hole. See the difference. See which one will capture more light, which one will capture more lines, which one will capture more shading, which one will gonna capture just the whole thing. This here is a wide angle. So does this. See, this grabs the whole image, the whole photo. I have 2 lenses, for example. One is much more narrow, where I really want to capture that area, or if it's a large tattoo, I want to grab the whole area plus the room. Plus you can see how ginormous that is. That's when I use this one. So I can jump from there to there. Guess what photo quality every single image comes? 4K. Don't you want your tattoos to be 4K, smooth, clean, sharp, neat? Of course you do. That's the whole point. That's why you are making the photos in the first place. If your photos wouldn't mean anything, you wouldn't just use anything. You know what I mean? Or if you really don't care about your career, you can use your phone, where the hole is tiny, so whatever gets inside, gets inside. If it doesn't get inside, well, it doesn't. So you might have a client, you might not have a client. So you might have clients that are local, maybe a 5-minute walk, but not 10-minute drive. You know what I mean? Whereas when you have this, people start to fly to you. People drive miles and miles and miles for you because you do clean lines, you make nice shading, you do black where it needs to be, and you can actually capture that, showcase the people. They can actually see, they have evidence that you actually did the work because it clearly shows. And guess what? People will drive to you. So you don't really compete against your little small village, about your small little city of like 200 people. Now you compete to like 7 different cities that's around you. Now you're like your market goes into millions. I don't know what city you live in, whatever country you live in, but like next 5 cities together should make at least 1 million and above. That's your whole market. And then if you slice that on half, which means kids and old people, you get half of that, 500,000 people. Guess what? Even if you get 90 people, you get 3-4 months booked up. Not bad. If you get 300 clients, that's 1 year booked up. So 1.5 million, 500,000, 500 people. You know what I mean? It's not that much. But the difference is this. The difference is if you actually have the evidence. So for example, I make videos where I teach people how to tattoo. So this is the one we did recently. It looks like this. I hope it's gonna come out clean and you'll be able to see. Would you watch that if I film with this? You probably wouldn't. Would you watch that if I film with this? You probably would. Why would you put your whole career on this little plastic shit? You probably wouldn't, but you do. Most likely you do. I did that for years. I'm saying this to a person who is like me years ago when I didn't have these this insights of what it's like to have a life in this end and this end. And now I do have the insights. Now I have the camera that I wanted, and now I can say what it feels like. So if you need evidence, I am the evidence. So what happens is, most of you, when you take photos of this, you can charge from 0 to about 250 per day. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You can get away with this because when somebody says I charge 200, you don't really expect much from that person anyway, because you're like, what kind of person with 200 pounds per day do? Not much. So you don't really expect much. So they take also photos that is not that much. When you go into like 300s and 400s, you're like, well, this person should be able to do more, which also they need to showcase more, which means they mostly don't. They just use this little shitty camera and they kind of hope when they're going to take a photo, it'll be amazing. These photos should bring me clients, should bring me people. Mostly they don't. Mostly the images don't bring more clients. So people think industry is saturated. They blame anything, but they don't blame really the evidence, what got them from the image the person they did tattoo to a finished piece. Like the difference is the camera. Like how I see your work is your camera. How my mom would see your work is by the camera. How my missus would see your work is through the camera you hold in your hands. That's the only difference. Like the only option how we can see what you did that day. Only. There's no secondary. Only. That's only way. Obviously you could say, yeah, my glasses, I can use GoPro, but that is what I mean. The camera quality is the only way how we can see what you do or what you don't do, how you do and how you don't do. Make sense? So what happens when you have a camera like this? You have way more clients. You have cleaner client photos. Clients actually want to take the photos that you just posted, they can screenshot them and send to the family, and they're still going to be good quality. The clients wants to show off. Clients wants, they literally want to take your photos and share to the family photos, to the WhatsApp groups they have with the friends, with the family, with the work colleagues, with students, like whatever they do in real life. And they need your photos. And you can't be like, oh, by the way, guys, there's the photo, and you grab with this. Like, what kind of photo is that? Do I want to share that photo to my mom? I have no options. But it's a downgrade. You're being looked as down. So all I really want to say is, with all this, we just had this live and I was saying that you can't put the whole career through this little tiny hole, whereas most people do. So I want you to use this, yeah? You find ways to get this. Maybe do like, I don't know, design 5 brand new designs that's way above your level, a little bit way above, and then you can get that chunk of money and then go buy second hand. Go buy from family, relatives. Maybe you can get a camera on a payment plan. There's multiple ways. You'll find a way. So for example, this one, I drew 2 hours there to pick it up and 2 hours back. 4 hours of my life wasted to get this lens. Guess what? Every single video from the last 2 months go through this lens that people watch on school account. Like hundreds of people watch, and the only way, the difference is between the skin and what they see is this. So the importance is massive. Like obviously I'm gonna drive fucking miles away so I can get the lens I need so the students can see the details that I want them to see, because there's no point me talking about the details and not being able to show the details or not being able to represent the details. Obviously I need something that captures that all and gives to them. That's exactly what you want. You want to have your tattoos done really, really nice, really clean, but then you also want to show them to the world. There's no point investing 16 hours in a piece and taking with that. Obviously that's what you don't want to do, but mostly that's what everybody does, and it's horrible. So try to get there as soon as possible, as fast as possible, as quick as you can. Once you get there, you'll love it. Like you'll be so amazed how could you even like take photos of it just an average phone. It makes no sense, makes no like it's bullshit. Yeah, so get a decent camera. So what you're watching now, like this very moment, is Sony Alpha 3. Yeah, Sony Alpha 3, he has that orange ring around it, and the lens you're now watching this very moment is the basic lens. It's the basic shit. That's how they come. So what you're watching is not even upgraded, it's not even anything like big and posh, it's the basic. Like that's how clean the basic is. If we would stick this on, you would see the whole my room, all this corner, all this area. But I don't want you to see the whole room. There's no need for that. You only need to see me. So it's options, yeah? And that's it. Like that's how clean you can get your videos. That's how clean you can get your photos. Super sharp. Like this very moment is filming on 4K. I think it is, it should be. So you want that. You want that for your work to be. You want to give that to your clients. Because you could, like what I do mostly is I finish a piece, I finish the two, and as the person walks out, I'm like, oh, by the way, do you want me to send me the photos to you? I can email them to you. You know how loved they feel when you email them the photos and they feel like, oh my God, this guy cares. This guy gonna give me the real deal, the real photos. Or another analogy, imagine you have weddings, you get married and everybody pulls out iPhones and tries to take photos for the weddings. How offended you would be? How offended would you be if you have wedding photos taken by everybody's phones and you have nobody with a real deal? You would just not have that. Or if you message me and say, Ziggy, could you be my wedding photographer? I'm like, yeah, where's my iPhone? I got my iPhone 15. Can I do that? You would not take me seriously. I mean it. You would not really take me seriously because I would be there playing with iPhones and that. And you would say, that's not a real deal. You can't be a wedding photographer with iPhone. So that's what you do to yourself. You are a wedding photographer with a fucking iPhone. Hopefully you have an iPhone because that's like the best cameras out there. If you don't have even that, you have no chances of winning. Like there's certain things that this business requires, and really good camera is what's required. And if you find the reasons not to have it, you're not gonna win. That's about it. That's about it. If there's like if somebody scrolls and there's two images, A and B, Studio A has okay photos, Studio B has mint photos, I'm just gonna go to B. Whatever that is, like it's clean. When somebody scrolls, people have they see so much stuff online. They see hundreds of images, like one by one. And if they see a grainy video and a clean video, you go to the clean. That's about it. That's as far as it goes. So you just position yourself so you lose, so people do not pick you. Yeah, it's not about what you say, not about how you see yourself. It's not about how your mom made you feel. It's about do public pick you. That's it. And then you need to make whatever possible for the public to pick you. That's it. Which means if you find reasons to not have a camera, you find reasons why people should not pick me. Can you not pick me? Somebody just signed up for online tattoo school, which is beautiful. Another student. I love that. I love when people learn. So I'll see you next video. Get some cameras and then do your best.